So we're pretty much done. We're down to the last finishing touches on this fixing list, and so I thought I would share it with you quick so you could kind of see what it ended up like. If you watched the video from about a week ago, you could see that we didn't have the carpet in, and there's just a lot left to do. But now, you know, we just have some light fixtures in here, some pendants over the island that we added, put all new cabinets in, a bunch of new can lights, put carpet back here to turn it into a nice sunroom. Hey Leo,
Yes.
we were supposed to put this flooring in the laundry room over the brick here.
Let me see.
Do you think we have enough left?
Let me check.
Oh, thanks. There, just as a quick tip too, you can buy these on Amazon. They're like $60 and they look like they're worth over 200. Real commercial style faucet. So you don't have to be the contractor. I hire the guys and I get a lot of the materials. That's not how you have to run your fix and list business. You can do fix and list deals and just hire a contractor to do it all. But what I like to do is I hire the carpenter, the carpet guys, the HVAC guys, the electricians, the plumbers. It's only like 4 to 5 guys that you manage in a job to be the contractor yourself, and you don't necessarily need a contractor's license. Well, I do, you don't need to have it to do it yourself. So I wouldn't be scared to manage the guys yourself and keep more profit. You know, for typical numbers, you could probably get a house renovated. If a house was gonna cost $30,000, if you hire a contractor, it's gonna cost more like $35,000. Looks like we have this window unit to get back in. But here we didn't touch anything. The comps in the neighborhood aren't really high end. And so we felt like getting the kitchen to the point where we did was enough to hit that top of the market. And then if we took all the bathrooms to that same level, we'd just be wasting money. All right, so you really have to look at the comparable properties and let that be your guide on what you should fix up and what you shouldn't fix up. Let's check out the basement quick. And was there enough, do you think?
I got a wrong box in my hand.
It's close. Hopefully there's enough with the coronavirus shutdown. Getting materials can be tough. But down here, we drywalled the ceilings. There was no drywall. We added this bedroom. So there was a wall here, but then nothing from here over. So we added this wall, put a door in. There was already an egress window. And so we just added this wall and closet here to add another legal bedroom. So now we've got 4 beds, 3 baths. And here we just have some storage underneath the stairs. And utility room. So that's what we're up to on this project. I'll keep sending you videos and give you little tips, the things I see as I walk through them, and hopefully it helps you with your projects. If you haven't bought the Fix and List Secrets course yet, you might not know what I'm talking about. In that course, I explain how you can fix up other people's houses with your money and then sell those houses for them at the top of the market. You can get that homeowner more money than they could get with a typical realtor. And you don't have to be the contractor. You do not have to be the realtor. In fact, I suggest you don't be the realtor. You can do a lot more volume if you're not the realtor. But if you haven't yet, try the course out. It's free for the first 3 days. So you can buy it and get in it and see if it's something you want before you're even charged. And then there's still a 30-day money back guarantee. What you're gonna find in that course is it's better info than you're gonna find in most courses that cost $1,000 to $10,000. So I think it's a great value for the money, and you're not gonna go wrong. So check it out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.